Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to introduce about the EzQT installation. Before we set EzQT up, you need to empathize with your device specifications first in order to know if your device is suitable to run the software. You may find it in the setting by just clicking on the Windows icon, then type system information in the search bar. The information of your hardware will be displayed. This executable supports 64-bit and high-performance cores. The software performance is influenced by the client's hardware specifications. Computational speed is directly proportional to the computer processor's base frequency. A base frequency of at least 3.0 GHz is recommended. If you use the laptop, please check your specs as below. It might have a power-saving CPU. CPU specifications will have a U at the end, which can significantly reduce computational efficiency. Minimum specifications is i5-7504 core 3.4 GHz, RAM 8 GB. Recommended specifications is i7-9708 core 3.0 GHz, RAM 16 GB or higher. Operating system is Windows 10 or 11. Hard disk space. At least have more than 800 MB or higher of free space required. EzQT is a powerful program trading software that can help you automatically execute trades, increase your win rate, and boost your profits. The software supports a variety of financial products and has an intelligent optimization feature. Now, let's get started to install. Whenever you receive the setup file, you need to extract it and then double-click to install. After execute the installation file, the license agreement screen will appear. Please take a moment to read it before install. If you click on "I do not accept the agreement," this means you don't agree with the software policy and the proceed to the next step is forbidden. If you click on "I accept the agreement," this means you agree with the software policy. You may click on button Next to go on. In this part, it will allow you to decide for the preferable location path in your hardware. You may click on Browse to choose the location where you want to install your EzQT files or just leave it to default location. Then you may click on button Next to continue. To ensure the easy access to EzQT after installation, you may click on Create a desktop shortcut to create an additional shortcut icon on your Windows. Then click on Next to continue. After confirming with the setup location and setting, you may click on button Install to start the installation process. As the installation is in progress, please wait patiently. After complete, please click button Finish and the software is ready to use. If you forget clicking on Create Shortcut in the installation phase and you cannot find it, you can search for it on the Windows search bar. In order to do this, you can press on the Windows key on your keyboard or you can click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then type in ppdezqt on the search bar. This name will vary depending on the broker. Here, we use ppdezqt as an example. The software will show up with the current version. Click on Open File Location. In the opened window, you'll find the EzQT execution file. You may right-click on it then click on Show More if you are using Windows 11. Select Send to, then choose Desktop, Create Shortcut, to create a shortcut icon on your Windows. However, if you need to uninstall the EzQT program, please follow these steps. You can right-click on the EzQT application shortcut icon on your Windows. Select Open File Location to navigate to the installation directory. Click backward to ppdezqt directory, then look for an uninstallation file. Double-click on it. Then it will initiate the uninstallation process. Confirm the uninstallation by clicking on Yes, then the software will be removed. Besides that, there is another way to uninstall. First, Open the control panel where various functions are displayed on the screen. Specifically, focus on the Programs section and navigate to Uninstall a program. Find ppd.ezQT file, then click to uninstall. Then the program will be completely removed. Thank you for watching patiently. I hope this will help you install EzQT.